It's our third day doing our vocabulary, so we're going to add sentences to the words we've been working with this week. So let's go over to our camera so we can work on that together. All right. So the best way that we could do this is if we were in class together and we could help make some sentences together. But since we're not, I'm going to go ahead and use some of the sentences that I've already used before. So using the word fragile in a sentence, I can think of, I carefully carried the fragile crystal vase. So I'm going to go ahead and write that, and you can copy that if you'd like to. If you can think of a way to use fragile in a sentence, you can write your own sentence in here. Carefully carried the fragile crystal vase. So I don't want to drop it. Okay, so please remember to hit pause if you need more time to write your sentence in, because I'm sure I'm going pretty fast since I'm just giving the answers to you that I have. All right, our next word is research. Okay, so we could say we used the internet to research facts about frogs. So you can go ahead and write your sentence in there if you can think of something else that you would like to do instead of my sentence. But it needs to be a complete sentence. Both of them need to be a complete sentence. Start with a capital letter and end with punctuation. Pause if you need to. And when you're ready, you'll go to the word defend. So to defend means to prove by giving evidence. So a lot of times when we're doing our math, we're going to be providing evidence or defending our answer to show why we think the answer is what we've given. So I can explain how I solved the math problem to defend my answer. Okay, so take your time, make sure you get that written down if you're copying mine. If you want to use a different one for your sentence, you can do that. Making sure that you're using defend correctly in a sentence. When you're finished with this page and you've gotten everything written in, so look at that, guys. We're going to do this each week. We'll do the first step, writing in the word and doing the definition. The next one will be the synonyms and antonyms. And then the last one will be sentences. And then tomorrow we'll do our picture dictionary and our wow word. So for today, that's where we're going to finish with this. So when I flip it over, we're going to do this word specific and use it in a sentence. So Mom wrote the name of the specific cereal I wanted on her grocery list. Running out of room, writing too big. Mom wrote the name of the specific cereal I wanted on her grocery list. And the last one is pledge. My class made a pledge. to be students who have good character. Okay. My class made a pledge to be students who have good character. So please go back and make sure you've gotten all of these things filled in for all 5 words. You can rewind, you can pause, but make sure you get all of those in. I often say a stitch in time saves 9, so it'll be a lot easier to do it now while we're doing it slowly rather than try to catch up and fill all of them in at one time. Right, so tomorrow we will work on our picture dictionary and our wow word. So I'll see you then.